Are you confused between terms like digital marketing, paid marketing, or performance marketing? Don't worry, this is happening with everyone. Hey there, welcome to KnowHow Academy. I'm Siddharth, and as we all know that digital marketing is everywhere, and there's one type of marketing that's been flying under the radar for a while, and that's performance marketing. Sounds complicated? Well, it's not. In fact, performance marketing is one of the most efficient and cost-effective ways to drive results for your business online. Yet many businesses are still overlooking it. In this video, we are diving deep into performance marketing, like what it is, how it works, why you should use it, and which channels can give you the best return on your investment. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why performance marketing is a key part of your digital strategy. Let's begin with a simple question. What exactly is performance marketing? At its core, performance marketing is a type of digital marketing where you only pay for specific actions that your audience takes after interacting with your ad. This means you are not paying just for impressions, but for results. For example, you only pay when someone clicks on your ads, make a purchase, or signs up for your email list. It's a result driven approach where you are essentially paying for performance, not for the potential of reaching a larger audience. The main benefit of performance marketing is that you are getting measurable and trackable outcomes for every penny you spend. This makes it very cost-effective way to advertise. Now that we know what it is, let's talk about how performance marketing works. In performance marketing, advertisers partners with agencies, publishers, or platforms to place ads for their business. The key difference here is that you only pay based on how well those ads perform. So let's break down the different ways you can pay for performance marketing campaigns. Cost per click. You pay when someone clicks on your ads. This is perfect for driving traffic to your website. For example, if you are running an online store and want more visitors to see your product, CPC is a great way to get clicks without having to pay for impressions that don't convert. Cost per impression. This model is based on impressions, meaning you pay for every 1000 times your ads is shown. It's a great model for brand awareness, where you are more focused on getting your brand in front of as many people as possible, even if they don't click on your ads immediately. Cost per sale. With CPS, you pay only when someone's make a purchase directly through your ad. It's commonly used in affiliate marketing. For example, if you have an affiliate partner promoting your product, you only pay them when a sale occurs through their link. This model works well when your main goal is driving sales. Cost per lead. This is similar to CPS, but instead of paying for a sale, you pay when someone takes an action that brings them closer to making a purchase. For example, signing up for your newsletter or registering for a free webinar. CPL is ideal for businesses looking to build a list of potential customers to nurture into sales later. Cost per acquisition. CPA is a broader term that refers to paying for any specific action a user takes after interacting with your ad. This could include making a purchase, signing up for a trail, filling out a form, or even sharing their contact information. It's a very flexible model and can be used to track a variety of conversions. Now, you might be wondering, why should you use performance marketing? Well, the main reason is cost effectiveness. In traditional advertising, you are often paying for ad space and impressions without knowing if those impressions are leading to sales, clicks, or any other desired action. With performance marketing, you only pay for measurable results. This makes it much easier to track ROI and ensure that your marketing budget is being spent wisely. If an ad is performing well, you can increase your budget to get even more results. And if an ad isn't performing, you can just easily tweak or pause it without losing much money. This gives you total control over your campaigns. Another reasons to use performance marketing is that it allows for continuous optimization. Since performance marketing is all about measuring results, you can quickly identify what works and what doesn't. You can experiment with different ads, channels, and strategies to see which one drives the best results and then double down on those. So, where can you run performance marketing campaigns? Well, there are several great channels you can use to get started, and choosing the right one depends on your goals. Here are some of the most effective platforms for performance marketing. Social media ads, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Social media platforms offer some of the most targeted advertising options available. You can create ads tailored to specific demographics, interests, behavior, and even job titles, making it a powerful tool for reaching your ideal customer. Search engine ads, that is Google Ads. Google Ads is great for capturing users who are actively searching for your products or services. With cost per click campaigns, you only pay when someone clicks on your ads after searching for specific keywords. It's a perfect way to target users with high intent. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you partner with influencers or publishers who promote your products. You only pay them when they generate a sale or lead, which makes it a great performance based model. Email marketing. Performance marketing isn't just limited to paid ads. You can run performance marketing campaigns with email marketing too. By tracking actions like clicks, signups, and conversions, you can optimize your email campaigns to generate leads and sales. Let's take a moment to compare performance marketing with traditional marketing. In traditional marketing, such as print or TV ads, you can pay upfront for ad space and time. You might not know exactly how many people saw your ad or how many of those people actually took action. Performance marketing, on the other hand, is all about paying for the results. Whether it's a click, lead, sale, or other actions, you only pay when those things happen. This makes performance marketing a much more trackable and measurable strategy. For example, let's say you are running an ad campaign on a popular magazine website. In traditional marketing, you might pay for a full page ad and hope that it reaches your target audience. In performance marketing, you pay only when someone clicks on your ad, and if they don't, you don't pay anything. It's that simple. So, to recap, performance marketing is all about paying for results, whether that is clicks, sales, leads, or other actions. The benefits: it's cost effective, scalable, and measurable. It gives you complete control over your budget and allows you to experiment with different ad formats and channels until you find what works best for your business. Whether you are looking to drive traffic, build brand awareness, generate leads, or boost sales, performance marketing has a model that can help. And remember, with performance marketing, you are only paying for what you actually get, which means you are spending smarter, not harder. That's it for this video. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source for your marketing knowledge. We are always here to help you with navigating through the marketing landscape. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach us out. Stay curious and keep learning.